These results are outstanding. Clean up the mess, file an incident report with HR, and update the Greg's List posting. We're, gonna need more amputees.
Work. On the walls. See how this Wyoming tech startup is revolutionizing the office. Who knows what other nifty gizmos they have in the works.
What is happening on Wall Street? Barrels are up 400%. They've got turrets inside. Scary crash test dummies everywhere.
Our local Wyoming lakes and rivers need to be preserved. Vote yes on Goosthetic.